This is a shur on Tefila. We're going to talk about Hanisim. We're close to Chanuka. We talk about Hanisim. Now, Hanisim starts with the point that the main matter. First, we tell the history. When is it? When rose up the kingdom, the Greek Empire, against the wicked Greek Empire, against Amecha Israel, your nation Israel, the Shakecham Torah, to make them, to cause them to forget the Torah and to make them transgress your will. Therefore, that is at the time of Malchut Yavan. Therefore, we make sure to explain Malchut Yavan. First of all, Yavan, where does it come from? What's the stem cell of Yavan? Yavan is the children of Yefet. One of the children of Noah was Yefet. Yefet comes from beauty, Yafet, beauty. Therefore, the names are the essence. The essence of this child was to beautify Olam Hazeh, to make Olam Hazeh in a very beautiful way. Therefore, when we are saying Shamda Malchut Yavan Rasha, rising up this empire means they got power, they got facilities, they were in power to carry their mission. What their mission is to make Olam Hazeh so beautiful. They make monuments, they make buildings, body, to make the body all physical, in physicality to bring out the beauty of Olam Hazeh. Now we know that Olam Hazeh is a gateway to get Olam Haba. Imagine a Jewish family live in a hut, in a very house, nothing, no furniture, nothing. When you tell a child the ikar, the primary thing is Olam Haba, he would get it. It goes in his bones. What is it? What's Olam Hazeh? Olam Hazeh is nothing. But when Yefet comes to power and he builds up Olam Hazeh, makes monuments, mansions, make the body, muscles, and becomes such a primary thing to think and to adapt, then it becomes very hard to tell people there is Olam Haba. My Rosh Hashiva used to say that his mother was not able of reading. She couldn't read. Tefila, Torah, Aleph Bet. She didn't know Aleph Bet. But Olam Haba was the next door, back house. The philosophy of Olam Haba, the philosophy of Mashiach coming, the philosophy of Olam Hazeh is nothing. It's just a gateway to Olam Haba. Olam Haba was just his back house, Olam Haba was as if he lived in a way that as if Olam Haba is her back house. In other words, so clear, so live into it with Olam Haba. Now Yefet came to the picture and made Olam Hazeh so beautiful. When it makes Olam Hazeh so beautiful, it happens two consequences. First of all, people forget Torah. In other words, that is very interesting. It doesn't say that they didn't let them learn Torah. It doesn't say stop them from Torah, even though that they did. It doesn't say that they didn't stop them from Torah learning and destroy the Torah learning centers. They made them forget Torah. How do you make somebody to forget something? How? Something is in the mind of a person. Is thinking all the time about it. That's our life. That's our life. The way to do it, you represent life in different lights. You tell them, this is the life. This is better. Give them the taste of it. With a lot of attraction, with a lot of beauty of Olam Hazeh. Choshech, Razal, tell us some, in other words, he put darkness on Laila. That's Olam Hazeh. Olam Hazeh is compared to Laila, night. Why Olam Hazeh is compared to night? Because just like at night, you can't see the reality. It's the illusion of reality. You see a pillar, you feel that you saw a person. You see a person, you feel that you saw a pillar. You can't distinguish well. The light of that darkness makes a person to see things in the different shape, different way. It's the illusion of reality. Chazal tell us, Yavan, this Greek exile, machshich enehem shel Israel. It darkens the eyes of the Har Israel. It took away that bright eyes to see the reality. That's the illusion of reality. Once you see that's life, once you see that's the way to live, that's the chashivut, then you forget about Torah and you stick to the things that you want. And the remedy to that is, Chazal tell us, we have to light candle. Why do you have to light candle? Who do you tell light candle? Somebody who's in darkness. Chazal are telling us, we are in darkness. We need to candle our own light and culture. We should go against the goyim and tell our children, do you know what is important? Is important our own culture, the light of our own culture. We light it up to make it exciting, to make it beautiful. And there is a question over here, should you publicize it or not? At the time that it was a sakana, you publicize it. Why? Because you are proud of it. The publicizing is not for the others to see. Publicizing is for yourself to understand this is my pride. This is what I am. Somebody keeps Torah mitzvot, he has to cover it from everybody. It's embarrassing. He doesn't, At the end of the day, the children would see that embarrassment as a blockage to adapt, to understand, to be proud of. He doesn't, he was embarrassed about to wash his hand for a motzi. Say, I'm from, I do that. It's embarrassed to say that, we wear certain garments, certain clothing, or certain mitzvah we do. Then children pick up. Now, Chanuka is the time we publicize it. We understand our own proud, right? We understand that we are in the choshech and darkness, and our culture is full of light. Just kindle your light at home to tell your children about the light of Torah mitzvah that we have. Through that, children would understand the chashivut of Torah, chashivut of mitzvot, and that becomes a different light. It's against Yavan that he tries to lashkam pratach. Now somebody, young college student, imagine in this community the way that he lives, and he's exposed to a lot of things, right? And now he comes back home. If you have at home that the light of Torah to light them, is to go against this darkness. But one thing is clear. What's clear? Like this. If Yavan creates a tunnel or makes the room full of darkness, we don't have to work as hard as Yavan works to create darkness. One spark of light is good enough. It's unbelievable. So one spark of the light, one small candle could let you carry yourself in such a darkness of the tunnel and the room that Yavan creates. You don't need that much. You don't have to work hard to light up all of the room, light up all of the tunnel. As long as we have a small candle in our hands, candle of Torah, mitzvot, and give it over to our children, that is good enough. Al-Chasol says that, Me'at or duche harbe choshech. Little bit light, it pushes away a lot of darkness. That's a good point to remember and to use it. And it's very encouraging in the time that we are living in such a darkness. It's very encouraging. Then we don't have to work so hard to as much as darkness to create light. Small light, small thing that goes very far.